Inari Sushi. Here are the ingredients for 8 servings. Japanese style broth. Boil water, then turn heat off. Add 15 grams of dried bonito flakes and leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Place paper towel in a sieve and strain for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not squeeze the paper towel as it would leave bitterness. Cook rice. 180 milliliters of water. If you're using a clay pot, heat on medium, heat until water boils. Once it starts boiling, lower to low heat and heat until there is no steam, 12 to 15 minutes. Fried bean curd 4. Cut the bean curd in half and open. Water used to wash rice. Cook with the water used to wash rice. By doing so, it removes the oil and makes it easier to suck in flavor. Once it starts boiling, cook for 2 minutes. Lightly dip in cold water, then drain. In a pot, place the bean curd and add the 8 ingredients. Japanese style broth, 350 milliliters. Soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon. Mirin, 1 full spoon. Granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons. Place a lid directly on top and simmer for 15 minutes on medium heat. Open the bean curd to cool. B.Vinegar, 30 milliliters. Sugar, 20 grams. Salt, 5 grams. Kombu Seaweed, 2. In another pot, add the B ingredients and then heat on medium heat to dissolve the sugar to make the sushi vinegar. After 15 minutes, check inside. If it is not watery, turn heat off and steam for 5 minutes. In a bowl, add the cooked rice and the vinegar made previously. Mix by bringing the bottom layer to the top. Lightly squeeze out the bean curd, open to add a bit-sized amount of rice. Push the rice to the corners, fold the sides, then top and bottom in order. Fix the shape and serve. Inari Sushi. Again, here are the ingredients for 8 servings.